It's our biome vocabulary quiz. Directions for the top portion match the definition at the right with the correct word on the left. Each definition is only used once. Number 1, abiotic. Letter A, a variety of life in the world. B, uppermost layer of a forest. C, non-living parts in the environment. D, land related to the earth. E, living parts of the environment. F, ability to be maintained. G, a biological community of interacting organisms and their environment. Number 2 is biotic. And you can go back and listen to that list of definitions as you go through the words. Number 3 is sustainability. Number 4 is biodiversity. Number 5 is ecosystem. Number 6 is canopy. Number 7 is terrestrial. The directions for the bottom portion, fill in the blanks with the missing words. Each word is only used once. The words are A, flora, B, fauna, C, biome, D, coniferous, E, deciduous, F, permafrost, G, community. Number 8, blank refers to all the parts within a certain region. So go back up to that list and you can re-listen if you need to the words. Number 9, trees that have cones such as pines, spruce, and firs are known as blank trees. Number 10, a group of ecosystems with similar climates and organisms are called a. Number 11, blank refers to all the animals within a certain region. Number 12, the blank is a thick subsurface layer of soil that remains frozen throughout the year and is found mostly in polar regions. Number 13, trees that have leaves such as oaks, maples, and beeches are known as blank trees. Number 14, the biological blank is an interacting group of various species in a common location.